Thinking of investing in the UAE stock market but not sure where to start? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, choosing the right stockbroker can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 stockbrokers in the UAE trusted, regulated, and tailored for your trading goals. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could help you save on trading fees. Number 1. ADSS. First on the list is ADSS, one of the most recognized homegrown brokers in the UAE. ADSS, regulated by the Securities and Commodities Authority, is multi-asset trading including forex, stocks, and CFDs. Great for Arabic and English speakers. Local customer support and educational content. Best for UAE residents looking for a trusted local platform with international market access. Number 2. Saxo Bank. Coming in at number 2 is Saxo Bank. While it's a Danish broker, its presence in Dubai makes it highly accessible for UAE traders. Why Saxo? Access to over 60,000 instruments. Professional-grade trading platform. Excellent research tools and analytics. Regulated in multiple jurisdictions including the UAE. Best for advanced traders and investors who want a wide range of global assets. Number 3. Toro. At number 3 we have eToro, the king of social trading. Why Toro? Offers commission-free stock trading. Huge global community for copy trading. User-friendly app, perfect for beginners. Regulated by top-tier authorities including FCA, SISEC, and ASIC. Best for new traders who want to learn by watching others. Number 4. Interactive brokers. If you're a serious trader looking for deep market access, interactive brokers should be on your radar. Why BKR? Low fees. Direct access to 100+ markets. Advanced trading tools. Strong reputation for transparency and execution. Best for high-volume traders and expats in the UAE. Number 5. Exness. Fifth on our list is Exness, a broker that's gaining popularity in the region for its flexible trading options. Why Exness? Very low minimum deposits. Leverage up to 1:2000. Supports Islamic accounts. Real-time financial news and updates. Best for traders seeking high leverage and flexible accounts. Bonus tip. Here's your bonus tip. Before you open an account, check if your broker offers a demo account. It's the best way to practice and get used to the platform without risking real money. So, which of these stockbrokers fits your trading style? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next investing guide.